Well, hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and today I have a little tip about how to make your lilies last a bit longer. My stargazers are just so pretty right now, but this tip will help them last a bit longer, and it's something you might not have known to do. I learned it in college, so stay tuned. All right, what we want to do to enjoy our blooms a little longer is remove the anthers from our flowers. So you gently snip that off to prevent the pollen from getting to the stigma right here at the end. And as we remove that pollen, there's quite a bit of it. You'll see that all that, if we keep the two separated, will help your bloom last much longer. And the flowers are beautiful with or without the pretty stamen. I provided a chart so that you can see just the parts and labels and names, basic florals. But again, enjoy your stargazer lilies. They're beautiful with or without the stamen, but I like mine to last just a little bit longer. And this has been Gretchen the Green Lady saying get out there and enjoy your gardens and get your hands